Got hit with a parking ticket you believe was unfair? Simply paying it without reviewing the details could cost you money unnecessarily, and in some cases, unpaid citations can lead to higher penalties, registration holds, or additional enforcement actions. A parking ticket appeal letter gives you the opportunity to challenge the citation with facts, evidence, and a clear explanation before the situation becomes more expensive or complicated. But this is where many appeals fail. People often write angry or emotional explanations, ignore the actual violation listed on the ticket, or forget to include strong supporting evidence such as payment records, photos, permits, or documentation that can strengthen their case. So here is how to write it. Sender information. This is the first part of the letter where you provide your personal contact details. For example, Michael Carter, 824 Pine Street, Denver, Colorado 80203. michael.carter@email.com, 303-555-7812. This section identifies who is submitting the appeal. Make sure your contact details match the information associated with the citation or vehicle registration. Date. After your contact information, include the date the letter is written. For example, May 24, 2026. This helps establish your submission timeline. Submit your appeal before the official appeal deadline to avoid losing your right to challenge the ticket. Recipient information. Next, identify the authority reviewing your appeal. For example, Parking Violations Appeals Department, City of Denver Parking Authority, 201 West Colfax Avenue, Denver, Colorado 80202. This ensures your appeal reaches the correct office. Verify the exact department name and mailing address listed on the citation notice or official instructions. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies your appeal. For example, subject, Appeal of Parking Citation, number PK-458219. This immediately tells the reviewer what the letter concerns. Always include the exact citation number to help locate your case quickly. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. For example, Dear Appeals Officer. This keeps the tone respectful and professional. If you know the reviewer's name, you may address them directly. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you formally state your appeal request. For example, I am writing to formally appeal parking citation number PK-458219, issued on May 10, 2026, for vehicle Toyota Camry, license plate ABC-4821. I respectfully request dismissal or reconsideration of this citation based on the facts and supporting information outlined below. This immediately establishes the purpose of your letter. State your request clearly and professionally from the beginning. Explanation of the alleged violation. Here you identify what violation was listed on the ticket. For example, according to the citation, the alleged violation involved overtime parking. I would like to respectfully clarify the circumstances surrounding this matter. This introduces the issue being challenged. Quote the violation accurately as written on the citation notice. Explanation of what happened. This is one of the most important sections of the letter. You explain the actual circumstances surrounding the citation. For example, at the time of the citation, I had made a valid parking payment through the city's mobile parking application, but the transaction had not properly reflected in the enforcement system at the moment the citation was issued. This provides factual context. Stick to facts, timelines, and evidence. Avoid emotional arguments or confrontational language. Reason the citation should be reconsidered. Now explain why you believe the ticket should be dismissed or reviewed. For example, I believe the citation warrants reconsideration because valid payment was made prior to enforcement, and supporting records confirm compliance with parking requirements. This clearly explains your position. Focus on objective reasoning, such as incorrect details, valid permits, unclear signage, technical issues, emergency circumstances, or supporting documentation. Supporting evidence section. This part strengthens your appeal. You list the documents or proof attached to support your explanation. For example, to support this appeal, I am submitting the following evidence for review. Parking payment receipt. Mobile app transaction confirmation. Photographs of the parking area signage. Vehicle registration copy. This gives reviewers evidence to evaluate your claim. Strong documentation often makes a major difference in parking appeals. Label attachments clearly and organize them professionally. Formal request for review. Here, you directly ask for the outcome you want. For example, I respectfully request a fair review of this appeal and consideration of dismissal or reduction of the citation, based on the information and supporting documentation provided. This makes your request clear and professional. Be respectful but specific about the action you are requesting. Closing paragraph and sincerely. This is your final section before ending the letter. For example, thank you for your time, attention, and consideration of this matter. Please let me know if additional information or clarification is required. Sincerely, Michael Carter. This shows professionalism and willingness to cooperate. End respectfully and leave the door open for follow-up communication. Citation details section. Finally, include the identifying information connected to your ticket. For example, citation number PK-458219, vehicle license plate ABC-4821, vehicle make or model Toyota Camry, date of citation May 10, 2026. This helps the authority locate your file quickly. Double-check every number, plate detail, and citation reference before submission. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should remember when writing a parking ticket appeal letter. Be factual, concise, and organized. Explain exactly what happened, support your explanation with evidence, and avoid emotional or argumentative language. Review the citation carefully, meet all appeal deadlines, and make sure your letter directly addresses the reason the ticket was issued. So that's how you write a parking ticket appeal letter step by step. As you can see, every section of this letter plays an important role in presenting a clear, professional, and well-supported request for reconsideration. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.